One shot, two hearts up. You walked in like a Sunday song. Steam rising from a quiet cup. You smiled and the world lit up. A window seat, your eyes found mine, and time just paused like it knew the sign. You said just coffee, but I felt more, like something I've been waiting for. You're my espresso dream, bittersweet and in between, every word a little slow, but your silence makes me glow. You're the reason this cafe hums, the sugar rush that softly comes. You stir your cup, I read your face, a moment held in perfect grace. No need for grand or loud extremes, your poetry in caffeine streams. Your laughter's low